What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Let's talk the stock market. Let's talk our plays. Is the market going to continue to sell off? What happened with the stock market today? Before we get in this video, make sure you guys leave a like. And without further ado, let's hop right in. 353 profit today. Tesla taking majority of that profit. SNDL and TQs. I did not find any news source as to why we had this pullback here midday, which kind of did worry me. On the 5-minute, we're not looking too bad, but after retesting these lows right around here at 377, I think we have some room for more downside. But this has to be with the majority of stocks just taking a dip. I think it's profit taking, guys. So don't be too worried if you didn't make any plays today. There's always more opportunity in the markets the following day, but we're coming off record highs. Keep that in mind. But I do think the market is weighing something. We're waiting on the status of stimulus, the vaccine rollout, that new COVID variant that was found out, which states are affected and whatnot. But an economist at Goldman Sachs said by May of this year, 50% of the U.S. population will be vaccinated. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be one of that 50%. So GM in the news, they have an electric delivery van coming, and they also plan to dive into futuristic flying cars, with the stock being up to 50, almost 50 after hours. So I think it might have some continued momentum tomorrow before it actually pulls back. Fubu is another one, which we'll cover right now. Actually, they are acquiring a gaming company. I forgot what the company's name was called. It was called Victory. And this is another play that's coming off the highs of 63. It's down on the EMA. It's been having some resistance around 30, but with this catalyst, it's already propping up. So don't be surprised if we have some continued momentum upward towards the $45 mark. Walmart, fintech startup, it had some news yesterday, but it pulled back from that after hours high yesterday, and it saw some resistance around 150. I'll play for me? Absolutely not. I don't see the volume, the momentum there. Well, Bitcoin, which also pulled back yesterday, it's trading around 35,000. Mark Cuban called it the dot-com bubble. Also, another shark on Shark Tank, Kevin O'Leary, said he's not buying Bitcoin as well. I don't know the reason why, but he did upload a video to his YouTube channel, which I'm probably going to watch later on. Cannabis stocks, SNDL is lagging. It's right on the day. It's not moving quite as much as the other cannabis stocks, even though this is priced cheaper. It is still having some resistance right around 75, but by the end of the week, I do believe we can see a pop to 80 cents, which is why I'm just holding a small position still. If you compare to ACB, green on the day, it looks like it's primed to break out past 11. TLRY, another one that's green on the day, up 8%. This one's hitting new highs after hours, so SNDL is the laggard there. Tesla, let's cover that bad boy. My favorite stock has blessed everybody. Can we see more downside tomorrow? What's the 850s looking like? Yesterday, I was scared. I'm being honest, to swing trade my shares because we were right around the $800 mark, which I possibly thought we would come down to 780. But I said, don't be too worried. After hours, pre-market is where it's at. And pre-market, we were gapping up. And as soon as we were around 830s, my gut was telling me this can go past 850, in which it did around 868. But I wouldn't be too fooled yet, because I've seen this before where it has that previous lower high. So it's right around 84, the high. And this is the new lower high right around 868. But the thing I did love about Tesla today is I did not follow the overall market, or else I think we would have saw sub 820 and possibly retest the $800 mark. But there's days where, like yesterday, where the market where Tesla does follow the overall market, but today it's its own beast, and those are the best days to trade Tesla. It's holding right around 850, which is the $0.50 mark. If it does dip down tomorrow, hopefully we can hold around the 820s. And if we do continue to trade sideways, possibly for the end of the week for new market updates, we'll see how the overall market reacts. But keep in mind, if we're right around 865 pre-market tomorrow, it's definitely going to retest these highs, in which I'll be completely shocked and surprised. But again, I won't, because Tesla, like I said, there's just massive hysteria, euphoria behind Tesla right now. And I've never seen the volume, momentum, how the dips are bought. Just the fact that we were at 804 yesterday, guys. So close to that $800 mark, in which possibly a lot of people thought we were going to pull back, and it gaps up pre-market the next day. Like when the market is literally flat, Tesla is doing its own thing. So I don't want to fall in love with this stock, but I love it. That's pretty much it, guys. Twitter lost $3 billion ever since they banned Donald Trump. On the 4-hour, let's pull Twitter up. It's looking like it's coming down to retest that low here around 45. I'd probably be interested in getting right around 42. Coca-Cola's another one that got downgraded. It got rejected at EMA, which we talked about last week. If there was a possibility of it getting rejected, if not, I could hit 52. It did not. It's coming back down. So anything under 50, we can possibly see a move down to 49, 47, in which I'd be very, very interested in buying. And Alibaba, super choppy stock, but it might be coming on down. Similar pattern. If you see here, descending triangle, lower highs here, 244 lower high, 240 lower high, 238 lower high, descending triangle. We have potential, massive potential for more downside. Hence why I have my alerts. I do think we could come on down on Alibaba. And the status of Jack Ma, supposedly he's okay, but part of me is telling me that there's something else. He hasn't made an appearance. I don't know. We'll see. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, again, don't be mad if you not make any trades today. I was very close to just sitting on my hands the entire day and not trading. But I just want to be here to remind you guys that, trust me, some days are odd like this. Some days there's not a lot of plays. Tesla did come through and was green on the day. But if it wasn't, the market's overall flat. And sometimes the best thing you can do, the best trade you can make, is no trade. Just wait for better setups, wait for better opportunities tomorrow, and patience will pay off. So with that being said, leave a comment below with your thoughts, what you're planning to trade tomorrow, what you're watching, your alerts. Leave a like, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.